Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Rahela Ferdousee, Assistant Teacher, Day Shift. Today we are going to have a class with the student of class 5. Our today's subject is English and today we will do rearrange. And this is our annual term 2021. Our today's lecture number is 23 and HW number is 15. My dear students, after completing the learning lesson, you will submit HW number 15 and you will do rearrange number 1 to 10 only answer. HW number 15, you will do rearrange 1 to 10 only answer. Okay, now let's see our today's lesson. In your question paper, you will find such types of question that rearrange the words to make meaningful sentence. Here, some words will given in assemble way, and you have to make them arrange, and you must make and your word arranging must have a sense of complete meaning. Okay. So now let's see the question. In number 1, here given some questions, words like success, the, to, is, industry, key. So how will we arrange these words? We have to write first the noun, or if it is question, in that case we have to write first the verb or the WH words. So here there is no, there we don't find that it won't be an interrogative sentence, it will be an assertive sentence. And which one is here? Noun, success, industry, key. These three are the nouns, but which can be the main subject? Yes, you are correct, industry will be the main subject. So what will we write the answer? We will write industry is the key to success. Industry is the key to success. Now see number 2, poet, your favorite is who? Poet, your favorite is who? So here we have to make the interrogative sentence and you have to start with the WH word who. And you know the structure of WH sentence, that after WH word there will be verb, then the subject. Okay, so what will you write? Who is your favorite poet? And my dear students, don't forget to put the correct punctuation marks at the end of the sentence. As this is the question, so we must have to put here the question mark. But whenever this is assertive sentence, at that time we have to put the full stop. If you don't put the punctuation marks, in that case you won't get the full marks. Especially in interrogative sentence, if you don't put the question mark, your full sentence will be cut. Now come number 3. Cough has baby the cold. So what will be the sentence here? Yes, right you are. The baby has caught cold. The baby has caught cold. Now come number 4. You might keep with bag. So how can we arrange this? There are 2 subjects, my, you, or not 2, 3, bag. So first we choose the person that you or my. So if we write you keep my bag with, no, it's not correct. So what can we write? My bag keep with you. Then that can be also right. But if we write it in according to like order sentence, that we can write that keep my bag with you. So the correct answer will be keep my bag with you. Okay, now come number 5. Very it hot yesterday was. So what will you write? Yes, it was very hot yesterday. So the answer will be it was very hot yesterday. Now come number 6. Hunter the pain feeling his arrow dropped. So what will be the answer? Feeling the pain, the hunter dropped his arrow. Feeling the pain, comma, the hunter dropped his arrow. Here will be full stop. Be careful with this sentence. I am saying again, feeling the pain, the hunter dropped his arrow. After feeling the pain, there will be comma, and at the end of the sentence there will be full stop. Now come number 7. Quickly, dove, the, away, flew, play, safe, to, a. So the answer will be the dove quickly flew away to a safe place. The dove quickly flew away to a safe place. Full stop. Now see number 8. Put white some cream in the mixture. So what will be the answer? Put some white cream in the mixture. Put some white cream in the mixture. Now see number 9. Swing free in her time my mother loves. Which one will be subject here? Yes, my mother. My mother loves swing in her free time. My mother loves swing in her free time. Now see number 10. Small Dhaka in flat we live in. So the correct answer will be we live in a small flat in Dhaka. We live in a small flat in Dhaka. My dear students, hope that you have understood the rearranges very well, and you, after completing learning, you must submit your SW on Saturday. Stay well, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.